And what I'm going to do is cut out a bunch of 1-inch circles out of these strips, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I got about 5 circles out of each color, and then I've got the neutrals I'm going to keep over here and use those for the back side. But I'm going to put a circle on each page. I'm just going to take 2 circles on each one and glue them back to back as a tab. Start on one edge, put it, hopefully that'll work with that pocket. I think it'll be okay. And we'll probably have to go and retouch the white flashes. Ooh, that one slid. Let me try that again. So then you want to see how you want them to line up. I think I want them to overlap just a little bit, probably that much. That's just me. You do it however you want to do it. So actually, I think I'll just put some glue there. And I'm just kind of eyeballing the middle of the circle, letting it overlap. It's a little bit on the tedious side, but I think it'll look cool when it's done. And of course, I want to vary. Let's see. Vary how not fabric, the patterns, however you see fit. Okay, so there it looks like you're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 across, and then start back over on the other edge. And let's see, what haven't I used yet? I used that one, that one. I haven't used that one or that one. Or that one. I actually used 2 in a row of the same one. Okay, that's fine, whatever. Okay. All right, so now I'll start back over. I'm going to use some of the ones I haven't used. So okay, so what I have discovered is that by doing 2, 1 on the back and 1 on the front, you need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 circles. You actually need 20 circles for each signature, which is 60. There's not enough of these to do that many. there's enough of these to do the front side. So there's like 31, I think, of these left. But I'm going to need more of these back side of ones. So I'm going to just punch from just whatever I have. I'm just going to pull out some tea stain paper if I can find some. So there's a piece. And I might even just do some ones with copy on them. Might do some with a hem. And there's some more plain. So I'm going to use those. And punch out some more to use on the back side of the circles. So I just thought I'd give you a little warning that you're going to need more. Let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I need 30. So I need about 25 from some other source. So might do 5 of each of these. And actually, if you really want to be orderly about it, I used a different one on that one because it had the pockets for the back of it. But if you wanted to keep all the backs the same on each signature, you could do, of course, you need 10 of this, 10 of this, or whatever. So maybe that's what I'll do. I think I'll do that. Okay, so I'm going to get 10 out of this and 10 out of this. And that's, so you don't probably need to watch me punch circles, but that's what I'll be doing. Okay, so I'm going to go on and ink my circles, and I'm going to end this video for today. And I will come back tomorrow, and I'll have these ready and stuck on, and then we'll move on from there. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, click the like button, please, or think about subscribing, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.